Hey guys, I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop Flosstube, and I'm here to show you our brand new FlossBitties Floss Drop. They're a great cross-stitch notion to keep all of your thread organized. In your package, you get 20 total plastic thread drops, and each of them come in 4 designs, so you get 5 of each design. There's lots of ways to use them, and I'm going to show you how. Pick your favorite FlossBitty and the next thread you're going to use. It's DMC 704, so I will take the DMC number from a DMC number pack. Find the number, and you can put it on any corner, or you could even put it on the back if you would like. I like to put mine on the bottom right. You can put it on any of the corners, or like I said, you could put it on the back. So you'll open your floss, keep it kind of in a circle, and you're going to find the 2 ends. This will keep your thread organized throughout your project, so it might take a little bit of time up front, but then throughout your project it will be a lot neater. Find your 2 ends, put them together, and just pull your thread. And we're just going to cut this DMC into 8 strands. Each DMC skein comes with a little bit over 8 yards, so we're going to cut these into approximately 1 yard increments. This is just my preferred way to do it. You can make them longer or shorter. So now you can see I have 8 strands. I'm going to cut the ends, and you can wrap all of it on your FlossBitty, or you can leave one off. What I prefer to do is take one out, wrap the rest on the center. So you can wrap it all the way up and down, or you can just wrap it in one section. I like to wrap it up and down, and it's very simple. It's plastic. It's going to stay really nice and flat. And when you get to the end, I just use my scissors and tuck that in on the back. And then you can either put your remaining one on the top or the bottom. It really doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead and put mine on the bottom. So I just make a loop, put it through, loop it on, and then you can use a ring to attach all of these together at the top. So if you wanted to, you could just add this to your FlossBitties, and you can just throw this in your bag, and everything is ready to go. And when you look in your bag, it's easy to find your thread. And if you're a cross stitcher that uses fancy floss that already comes on a card, you can still use the FlossBitties. Just cut the name out, and you can stick it on your FlossBitty using our double-sided finishing tape and wrap it the same way that I did with DMC. Your FlossBitties help you keep organized and cute at the same time. Just throw them in your gingham on the go bag, and you're ready to start stitching. Pick up your favorite FlossBitties at the Fat Quarter Shop.